In a quiet town, sneezing was a sign of something mystical. Locals believed each sneeze was a whisper from the past, urging them to listen. One day, a young girl sneezed thrice in a row, a rare occurrence. Her grandmother gasped, recalling an old tale. 3 sneezes meant a hidden truth was near. Curious, the girl followed her instincts to an ancient tree, and there she found a dusty box containing letters from her ancestors, revealing secrets of the town's founding. Sneezing wasn't just about dust, it was a bridge to history. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.